Here in the filleting section, the freshly caught tuna begins its journey towards the curry production line, handled with
The curry moves through these vats before being sealed by the robotic arm, minimizing human contact and
The automated filleting machine slices the fish with unparalleled precision, separating meat from bone instantly.
Inside the massive steel vats, coconut milk, spices, and oil are blended into a consistent fish curry base.
The automated filler nozzles descend rapidly, ensuring precise amounts of hot fish curry are dispensed with zero spillage in this high-speed production line. Inside the sterilization chamber, the temperature and pressure climb steadily, a critical step in the mass production of the fish curry. Air knives blow high-velocity air over the tops of the cans, stripping away water droplets to leave the metal surfaces dry and shiny. The golden orange fish curry flows continuously, a testament to efficiency and flavor in this state-of-the-art facility.
With robotic precision, the automated nozzles dispense the perfect amount of hot fish curry into each container.
We monitor the temperature constantly. Maintaining 98.5 degrees Celsius is essential for preserving the delicate texture of the fish during sterilization.
In this sterile environment, the machinery ensures every pouch is perfectly filled with the vibrant fish curry before moving to sterilization.
The precision nozzles inject a measured amount of fish and curry into the pouches, ensuring no splash occurs on the sealing surface.
Mechanical heat sealing bars clamp down on the tops of the pouches, melting the plastic layers together to create an airtight hermetic seal.
Analyze these samples immediately. We must maintain the highest food safety standards before authorizing mass production.
Consistency is holding steady across the samples. Flavor profile is robust.
Here on the factory floor, thousands of fish curry pouches move rapidly along the conveyor belt towards the secondary packaging area.
We're incredibly proud of this packaging. It's not only highly durable, built to protect the product, but the design also ensures it stands out.
High-speed mechanical arms ensure the sterile packaging of the fish curry pouches.
We guarantee the freshness of our fish curry. Our global distribution network ensures it reaches you efficiently, maintaining quality every step of the way.